Hello friends, welcome to Stock Overview, the place that helps you make smarter and more confident investment decisions. Today we are going to discuss a very practical and powerful idea. Should we keep separate demat accounts, one for equity market and another for gold, silver, commodity market? Most investors combine everything in a single account, but true financial clarity begins when you separate your two worlds, equity for growth and gold-silver for stability. Two markets, two natures. Let's first understand why these two markets are completely different. The equity market means ownership in businesses. When you buy shares of companies like Reliance, Infosys, or HDFC, you're investing in their growth and profits. On the other hand, gold and silver markets represent value preservation. When the stock market falls, gold often shines. Their directions, risks, and purposes are totally different. So wouldn't it be smarter to manage them separately, each with its own dedicated demat account? Now imagine your first demat account as your digital bank locker. Here, you gradually collect your gold and silver investments through gold ETFs, silver ETFs. No rush, no pressure, just a steady, disciplined habit. And the best part? With one click, you can see exactly how many grams of gold and silver you own and what their total value is, all safe, all digital. It's like opening your bank locker, but instead of jewelry, you see your shining digital wealth. Now let's move to your second demat account, your equity zone. This is where you build your wealth creation portfolio. Direct stocks, ETFs or mutual funds, whatever suits your strategy. This account gives you growth, dividends and market exposure. Together, these two accounts create a balanced portfolio. Gold and silver for safety and equity for growth. One protects your wealth and the other helps it grow. Now you might ask, why not just keep everything in one demat account? Here's the reason. When everything is mixed together, tracking becomes confusing. You can't easily see how much gold you own, how much equity you hold, or where your money is performing best. But when you maintain two separate accounts, one for gold-silver and one for equity, you get instant clarity. And clarity is the strongest weapon of a smart investor. It also makes tax filing easier, improves risk diversification, and gives you a greater sense of control over your entire investment journey. So friends, it's time to stop thinking of your demat account as just a trading tool and start seeing it as your digital bank locker. Keep collecting gold and silver in one account and build your equity portfolio through ETFs, mutual funds or shares in another. Because in the end, it's all about two markets, one goal, smart wealth creation. If this idea makes sense to you, stay connected with Stock Overview, where we don't just share market news, we help you make better investment decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share so your wealth journey always stays on the right track. Stay connected, stay updated, stay ahead with Stock Overview.